essentially, and at a different setting. And it gets a little bit technical.
Hi Akarane FM team, SNS Solutions here with a hopefully simplified technical explanation. The 1C of charge we refer to here is the total current delivered over 1 hour. In this scenario, we'll assume the total usable and used battery capacity is 100 amps, which would take 1 hour to charge the full 100 amps at 1C. Primarily, there are two types of inverter systems. The box top, which is limited to 20 amps over 1 hour, which equates to 0.2C, which means it would take 5 hours to fully charge the 100 amps. The second wall-mounted inverter system has a larger default charge current of 100 amps. This would equate to 100 amps being delivered over 1 hour, which has our 1C charge. This would mean it would only take 1 hour to fully charge the 100 amps. We can now have a look at the charge options available for these devices and the relative charge times between load shedding sessions. The box top type inverter usually comes with two charging options available: 10 amps and 20 amps. The 10 amps would equate to a 0.1C of charge. That would mean it would take approximately 10 hours to charge the battery's 100 amp, leaving us with more than enough charge time during load shedding sessions on stage 1 and 2. Secondly, the 20 amp would produce a 0.2C of charge, which would take approximately 5 hours to charge the 100 amps, which is still easily accomplishable from stage 3. The second wall mount type inverter system has a larger charge range available, starting from a small 10 amps, which would equate to 0.1C, and 10 hours to charge to a full 100 amp, which is again more than accomplishable during stage 1 and 2 load shedding. If we now have a look at the recommended 50 amps of charge at 0.5C, we would see it will only take 2 hours to fully charge to 100 amps, which should still leave us with more than enough time during stage 5 and 6 load shedding. If we now again have a look at the 1C of charge for the 100 amps, we would see it will only take 1 hour to fully charge to 100%, which is not necessary up until stage 8. This charging logic can be applied to larger systems as well, as normally the charging voltage and current is relative to the charging system used. So if we have more than one battery, it still charges at the rate of 1C. For any other questions, please feel free to contact SNS Solutions.